Good morning, guys. Good morning. Bon soleil. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm gonna just I want to share something with you. Okay. I'm gonna speak English and Creole at the same time. I want to stand on something that's very true for me, and I want to stand on it to say Vodou, pas voodoo. Vodou is love. Again, Vodou c'est Lanmou. Why am I saying that? Because one of the dance that I did, somebody told me, somebody just right, oh, she is beautiful to do this kind of lugaou dance or luga whatever. I was laughing, but at the same time, this gives me like power to say it's enough. It's enough because now we're in 2020 and I want to stand on something that is true. And I think and I feel it's time now for us, jeunesse yo, pour nous camper sous vérité nous, to stand on your real truth. Now it's time to say Vodou, it's love. Il faut nous dire haut et fort. Vodou, it's a way of living. It's not a religion. It's a way to be. Like I said, Vodou, it's a way of living. It's a way of being. It's not religion the problem. It's human heart, which is blind. How can you say when you go to a lakou? I don't know all the lakou, but where I've been, I can talk only for myself. They respect the trees. They ask the tree before pulling down or taking a leaf. He's asking, and this is devil? When you salute the sun, you salute north, east, west, north, and south. To be present, to honor the divine elements, which is in you also. It's the way to be here. It's the way to be present. I think it's time now to raise up our consciousness and to be open enough to be curious intellectually, spiritually, if you don't know what Vodou means, what it is, to be simple curious, not to put automatically a name. If you put a name, to be conscious why you are saying that, what is behind that. The consciousness manifests itself, has many ways. It's difficult to judge people, very difficult. You have to be very in silence to perceive the truth. Because when you think too much, you think of only yourself. You think about the past. It's something that comment ka di ça en créole, ka di ça, son bagay wap recracher. Son bagay qui c'est ou soit ou l'an passé ou son futur qui pas existé. But when you are in the present and you look things with innocence, a lot of things revealed to you. And now, the youth, jeunesse, I don't know how to say it in English, I forgot. Now it's our responsibility to live first and to bring a new way of talking about voodoo. I know a lot of you guys doing this, a lot of artists express themselves. I'm not doing publicity for Vodou, but enough is enough. Enough is enough. Because Voodoo is related to devil, something negative, and when you find like Haitian like you telling that, it's like, wow, man, be humble. Be humble. A lot of people tell me, they're doing zombie, they smell bad, they do a lot of things that make us not proud. I'm gonna tell you something. It's the way that you perceive things. And stop watching outside of yourself. If you really want to know something, ask your heart. One thing about Voodoo is like there's no authority between you and God. There's no authority between you and God. But in your life, you can have many masters. You can have water. You can have a cat. You can have your kids as masters to help you understand who you really are. And you have to be humble and open to life. Okay, Vodou is love. Aye, Bobo.